everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here. Today one I wanted to share with you is the Paper Pumpkin box. It is the May 2018 box. It's called Manly Moments, but don't let that scare you away because this is a fabulous box. Yes, it is kind of geared toward men, but when you see what's inside, because I've already taken a peek, you'll see there's so much more you can do with it. Paper Pumpkin is a subscription box service that comes delivered to your door each and every month unless you choose to put it on hold. You can purchase it in 1, 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. By purchasing the multiple month subscriptions, you can save yourself a little bit of money, although it's very affordable at only $20 each month. And it is a lot of fun. And it's like Christmas every single month when the box is delivered, because you never know, unless you look on Facebook, the Paper Pumpkin group, where there are spoilers sometimes posted. But if you don't want to see those, just don't look at those postings, because usually we put in their spoiler alerts. But I would assume by today, sorry about my dog, today is the 20th of May. And I've been a little busy lately. I finished up a craft show yesterday, so I think I'm pretty much done with craft shows now until when they start up again in the fall. But here is the stamp set in this set, and I'm not sure if you can see that well. Does that make it? No, that doesn't make it any easier. Wait, hold on. How about the back of this? Maybe you can see it a lot better. But it does have Happy to You. It has Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, thank you, Dad. There's a little symbol here. Favorite. And then there's all other words with Dad, brother, uncle, nephew, son, grandpa, husband, friend. You are my. And then there's adventure for all you do. I love you. And did I say friend? Nephew? I think I did. But look at the huge stamp set. I mean, this alone, and there is a ink spot that comes in every single package too. Sometimes you get two. This is Mossy Meadow. And does anybody remember Mossy Meadow? Yes, that was an ink color from, oh, I don't know how long ago, but it's coming back. So you don't have to wait for the new catalog to come out with your Paper Pumpkin. You're already on the ball there. So I am going to use that because I don't have my Mossy Meadow. I had sold that back a few years ago. So I am going to use it. Usually I use my large ink pads. But for this one, I'm going to go ahead and use it. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I like to open up one side, if I can get it, there we go, and leave the other sticker side on, so it kind of makes a little hinge, and you can use our re-inkers on these. So once the new catalog comes live, you'll want to make sure to get the re-inker for that. Okay, so let's open it up. It comes like this in the tissue paper, so it makes it even more exciting that you're unwrapping a gift. But for 20 bucks, this is just like getting a gift. All right, let me fold this up. And you can save the tissue paper. You can make something with that. I'm going to put this over here on the floor because I have cats. And if you have cats, you know how they love to fit their butts in everything. So she's already, my Dory, going in there. So here we are. Here's this month's, and sorry for the glare. I'm going to open this up to take away some of that glare. And you may hear some noise in the background, beside my dog barking, because someone's exploring the box. And the tissue paper is an added bonus for her. Okay, so here we are. Manly Moments, May 2018. They do have a video posted each and every month on pumpkinhowto.com, or you can go ahead onto YouTube and subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin page on YouTube. So here are the instructions, and look, super simple. I've seen some people assemble it, so I kind of have an idea as to what to do with it. It comes with this real thick piece of cardboard that you can use for other projects. And here is our kit. Now it does come, this one has some beautiful envelopes. Look at these. They're all the whole entire inside of the envelope has that wood grain look. So you can tear these apart, and this one has a plaid, and you can incorporate so many other ideas. And I love the color combination. Isn't that beautiful? We have some self-adhesive stickers here. We have, how many sheets? 5 sheets of that. So I think, did I say you make 10? I believe you make 10. Maybe on the back here. The back does tell you about how to stamp. If you're brand new to Paper Pumpkin, your first kit, you will receive, well, not this block. Wait, hold on. Let me get it. You'll receive a block like this, an acrylic block, and they've changed them since. I believe they don't have the sharp corners. I believe they have rounded corners. But you could always upscale to my online store and get the other blocks that we have too. But you'll get one in your first kit, and you'll use that for each and every kit thereafter. But yes, this makes it makes 10 cards, 5 of each, and the 10 envelopes, and this will tell you what your kit includes, and on the back here all the different social medias to go to for alternative ideas. So don't just think, you have to stick to the samples that they show. So here are some mini dimensionals, which are sticky dots that kind of raise up your work. So we have that, and we have those, like I said. And here are some badge shaped and some other shaped elements that you punch out, and we're going to stamp on those. And look at these beautiful banners. I'm sorry, I'm off kilter because I have my iPad switched a different way. I didn't realize that when I hooked it up. And, oh, look at these cards. These are a trifold. So they go like this. Aren't they cute? I love them. So it looks manly, but you don't just think for men. You can use it for others. Now, these are just our Whisper White pre-scored envelopes. And then we have some of these mountain-like die cuts. They very easily come out. Look how cute. Love it. Okay, so let's see what we're going to need. There's our one base and our second base. And then we're going to need one each of these. And one each of these. And one each of these. And one of these sheets. And then we have our envelopes there. Okay, great. So I'm going to use, just because I like our yeah, I like the ones that are made like this. Oh boy. Yep. So let's open up the directions and let's see what it says. So what they tell you to do, these are photopolymer, and you'll have these for years and years to come. And with all the different sayings in this will really take you very, very far in a lot of your stamping projects. Okay, so on the badge one, we're going to ink up this little, almost reminds me of like a sunrise. You know how it has those little kind of rays? Kind of reminds me of that. Okay, so this is going, oh, and I just put my finger in there. Not having a good day. Okay, so let's stamp our little rays up here. Cute. All right. Let me peel that off. I'm just going to put it there for now. So let's see. Let's do our little sayings here. Let's do birthday. I don't know, like many of you know already, my dad passed a few years ago. So, I don't really, unless I was sending my brother a happy Father's Day, but that's okay. So let's do birthday on here. Love that. And let's do thank you. I hope I don't run out of time. I only have 5 minutes. Oh, and there goes my dryer buzzing. Oh, goodness. It's just never a dull moment here, right? Okay, let's do the thank you, because we always need thank yous. I'm going to go on this crumb cake color. Thank you. My arm is stuck. I'm telling you, I'm having one of those kind of days. I'm just going to stick them there. All right, so on here we're going to do happy and to you. So what I want to do is happy to you. Okay, here we are. So I want to put it, and they're sticky, a little sticky. We want to make sure that they are sticky to stick to the blocks. All right, come on, let it go. Okay, so this one's going to be birthday. Happy birthday to you. Is that straight? That's one of my biggest things. I should pull out my Stamparatus because that will help me to align these up. And because they're sticking to me, I may have to do the second card on a different video. All right, happy birthday to you. Okay, so then I'm going to put my stamp on there. So you put your blocks on, you put your stamps on your block, and you ink it up once, and you stamp once. How about that? That works. Okay. Happy to you. And let's see the other one, the thank you. For all you do. How about that? I'll put these here. Thank you. Thank you for all you do. There it is. All right. All right, so this one they have going this way, and they have the thank you up here. And what I like to do is I like to make the sample ones first, and then I venture off to do other things. So I can see so many other things we can do with this. There we are, for all you do. And I think I'm done with that for stamping. Okay, so now it's just assembly. All right, so we'll take our card base, and I may have to continue this on another video. Oh, this has a little color to it. Yes, this is a very, very light color. And we're going to take our stickers. We're going to put the largest one first, and then the second one along the bottom. And you could sponge these, you can stamp on these to add some texture. Then we're going to take the third one, and that one goes down here like that. And then our little trees here, we're going to use our Stampin' Dimensionals. And they give you these little tiny ones so that you can get right up into where these trees are. And put those on. But if you have other ones left from your other kit, you certainly can use those if you didn't want to put all those teeny ones on. Alright, this is going to take a little bit to peel all these off, but it is so worth it. Alrighty, then we're going to go ahead and be putting our little embellishment together to go on top. And I only have a minute left, so I'm going to have to continue this card on the next video because YouTube only gives me so long to do my videos. Okay, so thank you for all you do. These are pre-scored for you. And you're going to go back and forth. That one's not really scored too well. There we go. Back and forth. And thank you for all you do. So this will go right here on the card. So I'm going to stop it now, and I'm going to come back with part 2 so I can finish up my cards. So come on back and see part 2. All right.